Hi! Thank you for coming back. It's Chair Ivy again. Are you ready to read? Awesome! So since you're ready, stay with this video so I can teach you. Let's go! Right, so tapos na natin pag-aralan yung mga letter P in English words, right? So ngayon naman, naaralin natin yung mga words in Tagalog na may letter P. What is the sound of letter P again? P, P. Very good. So, kukuha tayo ng mga words na may mga letter P in Tagalog. Are you ready? Alright, let's go. Okay, so, simulan natin sa word na ito. Madali lang uli magbasa, basta magsa-sound ka lang. Okay? Ano nga uli ang sound neto? A. Very good. Ito, P. Alright. And then ito, A. So, isa-sound mo lang siya ng tuloy-tuloy. So, that will be A, pa. A, P, P, A. So, A, pa. Diba ang combination netong dalawa? Pa. So, pagsamahin natin sila, pa. Alright, isa pa. A, P, P, pa. Very good. How about this one? Ito naman yung nauna. Same lang din. Pagsamahin mo lang yung dalawang tunog nila, okay? So, ano nga uli ang combination nila? P, P, A. That will be pa. And then, A. Perfect. So, that will be pa, A. Pa, A. Very good. How about this word? Can you read this? Yes, that is easy. So, yan ay pa. And then, same, pa. One more time. Pa. Pa. Very good. How about this one? What is the combination of this again? Yeah, the combination of these two is ra. Alright, so let's start with this. What is the combination of this again? Good job. Yes, that is pa, ra. One more time. Pa, ra. Perfect. How about this word? Right, how about this? So, this will be pa, sa. One more time. Pa, sa. Yeah, because the combination of these two is sa. And this one, what is the combination of this? Na. Alright, so that will be pa, na. Pa, na. Very good. How about this one? Yes, so this will be pa, la. Diba? Ang tunog nito, l. Tapos sa combination of a, that will be la. So, pag pinagsama natin yan, yan ay pa, la. Very good. How about this word? What is the sound of this again? T. And the combination of this, that will be ta. Ta. Right? Kagatin ng konti yung dila para dito. Okay? Ta. Alright. So, pag sama-samahin natin lahat ng tunog, that will be pa, ta. One more time. Pa, ta. Good job. How about this word? Alright, so for this one, let's just make a sound. What is the sound of this? And the combination of this, ma. So that will be ma and then pa. One more time. Ma, pa. Excellent. How about this word? So yeah, that will be sa, pa. One more time. Sa, pa. Good job. And this one? Diba ang sound neto? K. Tapos, i-combine mo neto, that will be ka. Ka. And then, ta. One more time. Ka, pa. Very good. And this one, t, t, a, ta, p, p, pa. One more time. Ta, pa. Excellent. Diba? Galing mo nang bumasa.
Wow! You already know how to read. Let's clap our hands. Very good. So, until next video, okay? Bye for now.